Clean windows improve visibility and provide a safe driving experience for all drivers. So get a simple and ready-to-use product that restores a safe operation of your vehicle in a spray and wipe form. In this video, Automotive Care brings 5 best glass cleaners in 2020. Through extensive research, we have put together all the products in list and mention their links in the description box. Let's move towards the list. On the 5th number is Adams Glass Cleaner. Adams Glass Cleaner provides a concentrated cleaner for glass while being safe on both factory and aftermarket window tinting. When cleaning your car windows, it's easy to overuse the product and cover the window in glass cleaner. Luckily, Adams Glass Cleaner's new and improved formulation provides customers with its streak-free formula and is a crowd favorite. Adams' new and improved formulation is environmentally friendly, contains no ammonia and provides a refreshing Sprite scent. Spray and wipe Adams Glass Cleaner with the green glass towel and give your vehicle the invisible glass look on your vehicle's windows. This glass cleaner is available on Amazon. On the 4th number is Invisible Glass Premium Glass Cleaner. Invisible Glass Premium Glass Cleaner is the best automotive glass cleaning brand. The Invisible Glass Clear Dry formula contains no streaky soaps, scents, dyes or other additives that leave behind hard-to-remove residues. The residues cling to glass surfaces, forming streaks and attract dust and grime. Easily remove fingerprints, smudges, dirt, grease and smoke haze on windows, windshields and other glass, mirrored and chrome surfaces. Stop cleaning up after your glass cleaner. Clean better and less often with the Clear Dry formula of Invisible Glass. This glass cleaner is available on Amazon. On the 3rd number is Chemical Guys Glass Cleaner. Chemical Guys Signature Series Glass Cleaner is the perfect way to achieve streak-free glass windows and mirrors. The advanced formula is designed to easily break down dirt, dust, debris, bugs, fingerprints and road grime in seconds. The professional-grade formula is ammonia-free, therefore there is no harsh smell. The advanced formula is safe for tinted glass and great for cleaning interior and exterior windows. Quickly and easily achieve streak-free glass on any car, truck, motorcycle, boat and even RVs. It designed the Signature Series Glass Cleaner to perform with ultimate versatility. Chemical Guys engineered the glass cleaning formula to clean plastic windshields, gauges and navigation screens for improved visibility while driving. This glass cleaner is available on Amazon. On the 2nd last number is Meguiars Glass Cleaner. Meguiars Perfect Clarity Glass Cleaner comes from years of working with professional detailers to find the quickest and most effective way to clean glass and mirrors. This unique formula spreads and wipes off quickly with superior cleaning ability to tackle even the dirtiest glass. This car glass cleaner easily removes vinyl fog residue, road grime, smoker's film, bird droppings and bug splatter. Since it's a pro-strength glass cleaner spray, it easily removes dirt, grime, grease and film while still being safe for use on all tinted windows. The anti-hazing properties also work to deliver amazing and streak-free results on all auto windows to get glass perfectly clear. Ideal when used with Meguiars Perfect Clarity Glass Towel. This glass cleaner is available on Amazon. And on the last we listed RainX Glass Cleaner. RainX Original Glass Cleaner Water Repellent gives you clearer vision in even the worst weather, protecting you and your family while giving you the confidence for what's ahead. The magic is in the hydrophobic water beading technology that repels rain, snow, and sleet. Watch water bead up and roll away as you drive, dramatically improving wet weather driving visibility. RainX improved driving response time by a second or more, almost 4 car lengths of extra stopping distance at highway speeds. RainX was the first glass water repellent to hit the automotive market and its water beading technology. The drivers have trusted RainX windshield treatments for over 40 years. It's giving you superior visibility, confidence, and preparing you for whatever comes your way. This glass cleaner is available on Amazon. For more information about all the products, check the links in the description box. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. We hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.